Heat pump technology has made big advancements over the last decade. Today, heat pumps are an effective and efficient option for heating and cooling your home in New England. If you're thinking about adopting heat pumps, or if you already have them in your home, there are a number of things you should know in order to operate them most effectively. When equipment is selected and configured properly, heat pumps can provide plenty of heating throughout the winter and plenty of cooling throughout the summer. It's important to pick equipment that can be used year-round. And don't be afraid to use heat pumps as your primary source of heating or cooling. Heat pumps work differently than other heating and cooling systems that you may be familiar with. If you're going away for the day to work or overnight and you turn the system off or you turn it down, they may actually use more energy and potentially cause comfort issues. It's advised that if you find a temperature that's comfortable, just leave it there. Ductless heat pumps sense temperature differently than traditional HVAC systems and thermostats do. So when you first install your heat pump, adjust the thermostat over time until you find a temperature that's comfortable for you. You may find it's different than what you used to set your thermostat to. Sometimes homeowners will leave an existing heating system in place as backup or to heat a separate area of the home. If you choose to do that, it's important to make sure the existing system and the heat pumps don't work against or compete with each other. It's a good idea to create separate heating zones for each system. Position the heat pump's thermostat in an area where its temperature reading won't be confused by heat from another system. Also, shut off heating units such as radiators in areas of the home where the heat pumps will be providing the primary heat. Heat pumps are more efficient than any other type of residential heating technology, so they should be used as your primary heating system. Backup systems can be configured or staged to turn on when your indoor temperature drops below a certain level. You should discuss with your installer how you want the system staged based on your energy use and comfort goals. On your heat pump's controller, don't use auto mode. Set your heat pump to heat in the winter and cool in the summer. Please note that auto fan mode is a separate function and is totally okay to use. Your fan's louvers should be adjusted to provide maximum airflow, and you should position the louvers to point towards open space. To maintain efficient operation, be sure to clean your indoor unit's filters on a regular basis. The outdoor unit needs to be kept free of debris such as leaves or snow. It needs space around it for airflow. Routine regular maintenance will help ensure your heat pump operates effectively and efficiently for years to come. See your manufacturer's guideline for the recommended maintenance interval. If you're the owner of a heat pump system, we hope these tips will help you optimize your system to be comfortable, efficient, and last for years to come. If you're considering installing heat pumps, contact Abode today to start exploring solutions for your home.